What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to another episode of the Road to 10K per month profit challenge. And welcome to week number six of this challenge. And we'll be going over the product listing and how you can do the same thing using 3 different platforms. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So yeah, guys, first things first, you already know what it is. We're gonna go to Zonbase, and so if you're looking to get your Amazon FBA product listed ASAP and that's fully optimized, you can definitely do it by Zonbase. And just a little side note, if you're an entrepreneur and you have a lot of money to spend, then go ahead and do that. If you don't have time, or you do have time, then go ahead and just build it out yourself. But for me, again, in this challenge, I actually had someone else do this because I basically just bought a business in a box and they're taking care of all that for me. But I just want to give you guys some options to actually have someone else list it out for you as well. And they're really affordable. And again, if you have money, this is perfect for you. If you don't have money, if you don't have any money, I'm going to show you a quick way to actually optimize it yourself. So first things first, listing optimizer. What you're going to do is, as you can see, it says listing done for you. You're going to click on that. And again, guys, link is in the description for Zonbase if you want to check it out. I think there's a trial that's going on right now, so dig around into it, see if you dig it, and see if it can help you optimize your store. But all you have to do is click on this, and of course, you see the pricing right here: $397, $497, $647. There is a discount if you actually buy the Ninja affiliate or a Ninja Amazon course, a 50% off on this. But as you can see, yeah, it gives you the personalized research, the data-driven choice of keywords, the winning title, the bullet points, the back-end keywords, critical review of image strategy, and it's your listing is actually written by a 7-figure Amazon guru, and the price includes the listing optimizer of one ASIN. So that's basically just like one product, one variation of that product, and then a photo enhancer for 5 photos. So the big boy, the big saver combo allows you to do that. Again, if you do buy the course, link in the description, you can get 50% off. It's included in it. Of course, I can't reveal that on this video. That would just be wrong. But and here's some FAQ questions just in case you're kind of curious of how this works, because you're interested. Like, how do you research keywords for my listing? Does it matter how often keywords are used? Changes made on my listing do not appear in the Amazon listing. Why you even need listing optimization? And how often should you change your listing? So very cool product. Again, this is done for you. There's a 50% off code that's actually inside the Amazon FBA course that Kevin David has. Link in the description of the video. And yeah, so again, they're doing this for me. I don't have to worry about it. They're taking care of it, which is amazing. But it's still kind of cool just to learn how to go about doing it step by step. That way, if I pay someone else to do it after this one product is done, then I know like the ins and outs of how to get it completed for my store and my product. But so this is one. Number 2 is going to be Fiverr. So you just type in Amazon listing, and then they have a few people that actually are doing gigs for Amazon listings. So for this guy is $60. Click on him. You can see he has already 10 orders in the queue. Kind of scroll down and see what he offers. Choice of copy, effective SEO, over 1,000 plus reviews, 5.0, which is really, really good. Delivery time 15 hours, which is pretty solid. So you can go through and just see what he offers: bullet points, word count, revisions, unlimited, which is awesome, competitor research, and $60. Premium It's going for 120. Subject matter, reverse ASIN search too. So that's pretty solid, 120 bucks. And then you have Upwork. Again, you just type in Amazon listing, hit enter. You kind of scroll through and see who you like. $100 per hour, 60 bucks per hour, 75. Again, depending on what your budget is. If you're just getting started and you're very, very limited on money, again, you can go to Fiverr, try it out for 60 bucks, see if it works, see how effective that they really are. Because you just never know, they could be better than these guys. Who knows? But for these, I would definitely go with someone that has a high percentage rate, like 95 or above on these. And then, going back to Zonebase, let's see, reverse ASIN. So let's say, for example, we're gonna sell fishing lures, right? So what we want to do is go to one that doesn't have a best seller on it. Let's just click on this. Grab this link. Product URL, click next. What? Not cool. I don't know why it's not showing up. Let's try a different one. Robotic fish. Copy that. Delete. Next. Boom. There we go. Enter top 3 competitors, ASINs. Analyze. So like now what we're seeing is their keywords based on their rank. So the rank #1 for a robot fish lure, they get that many searches per month. And then this is how many times they actually use it within their listing. So 161 times they're putting in fishing, and then 98 for lures, and so on and so on. And then you can also export this. Well, you can go to Listify. You can just snag all these keywords and put them in your listing, and then submit it under your product. So pretty cool, pretty fancy as far as Zonebase goes of what you can do as far as listings. Again, if you don't have the time to do it yourself, and just be like me and just go ahead and pay someone else to do it. But I think it'll be definitely worth the money. Again, link is in the description. And guys, next week we'll be going over the brand story. So I'm gonna go over exactly my process of finding a graphic designer, getting it developed, going over how to find my email and my domain, how to build that out, and my website as well. So again, guys, if you like what I'm putting down today, give your boy a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.